exploring the major impact of microclimates in the field, on the job, around the world. Let's shoot the breeze with Kestrel.
I'm Dr. Nigel Cook. I'm a professor of food animal production medicine at the School of Veterinary Medicine in University of Wisconsin-Madison. Heat stress is an incredibly important component of cow comfort, and realizing that lying times are decreased by around 3 hours a day during the summer has really been my focus and my interest area, trying to make sure cows lie down for long enough, and that helps prevent lameness and keeps those cows healthy and productive and happy. Just ventilating the barn isn't enough. We have to move the air in the cow living space, what we call the cow microenvironment. If we're going to keep the cow lying down for an appropriate amount of time, then we need to impact the air movement in that cow resting space. And so our research has been focused on measuring airspeed where the cows are lying down. Minimum resting airspeed to keep cows lying down is about 200 feet per minute. So we look for devices that are accurate at around that level. It's important when we're measuring the cow environment that we can measure temperature and relative humidity within the ambient environment around the cow. So in mechanically ventilated barns, we measure the temperature differential between the inlet and the outlet. So we measure that with our Kestrel drops located in those two positions. We then measure airspeed using the main Kestrel device that measures lots of other components of the environment, temperature, humidity, THI, but we use that predominantly to measure airspeed. And so we're using that, measuring airspeed throughout the resting microenvironment within cow barns to airspeed map throughout and identify areas of deficiency.